How to get a SEO client without a website quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can find SEO clients, which means that clients that you can optimize SEO for, clients that you can offer your SEO services, web marketing optimization services, you could say. And just to simplify it and shorten it, I'm just going to call it SEO services. So, how do you find clients to do SEO for without having your own website? Now, there are quite a few different ways that you can find clients. Now, the first and most effective way that I have found that you can find clients is via partnerships. Now, you might be wondering, hey, if I have my own agency or if I'm working as a freelancer, I don't want to do partnerships with other SEO agencies. Well, you're not going to be actually doing partnerships with other SEO agencies. What you're actually going to be doing is that you're going to work alongside a parallel agency. So, for example, if a website needs SEO, they probably need social media management, or they probably also need PPC, or they need web design, or they need a website builder. So these agencies that are providing services that go hand in hand with SEO, you can work with these kinds of agencies and offer a partnership. So this is a very simple way to exchange clients. You can share or refer your clients to them when they need social media or web design or web building. And then if they have clients where they are doing web design for a client, and that client will probably need SEO later on once their website has been designed, so they will refer the client to you. And this will be a very effective way to share your clientele and grow together as a parallel agency. Now, another great way to reach like-minded agencies is via marketing conferences. So go to a bunch of marketing conferences, but don't go to SEO conferences. I cannot emphasize this enough. If you go to a SEO conference, that means all of the people there are also providing SEO services. So those people already are trying to sell the same thing that you are trying to sell. Instead, go into a broader category, which would be marketing, and just go into a marketing conference. And over there, you will see multiple different agencies, anywhere from PPC, social media, and web design, and you can link up with them and, garner and link and build connections with those agencies. Now, if you don't have enough clientele to share, so let's say that they are referring you like 5 to 10 clients per week, but you only have one client a week that you refer back to them, then you can offer a 10 to 20% kickback. So with each referral that they give to you, you can offer them like a 10% or 20% of the profit or revenue that you are generating from that client. And that is a very simple way to make sure that you are able to get a honest and long-lasting partnership with a like-minded agency. Now, the second way that you can get clients is to speak at conferences. Now, when you are speaking at conferences, then people know what you are talking about. The people at the conference are looking for the thing that you are trying to sell. Those people are already interested in that topic. And when you show your professionalism or the skill set that you have in the specific field that you are working in, then it's going to be a very effective thing that you are going to be able to communicate the knowledge that you have. And then once you have that specific knowledge shared at a conference, people are going to see that and they will want to hire you. It is a very, very common way that agencies or businesses, not even small businesses, super large businesses, reach out to people. They see them at conferences, and when they see something they like to reach out and try to hire those people. Now, the next way that you can get hired for SEO and find SEO clients is via inbound marketing. So inbound marketing is one of the oldest ways that you can get SEO clients. Now, you can straight up reach out to clients as well, and that is just one of the simplest ways, and everyone is probably already doing that. But the best way, and definitely the simplest way, is to apply for jobs. Now, you might be wondering, hey, where do I find these SEO clientele for a job? Well, you can go onto a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can click on the Find Work section. and then you can search for a specific service that people are trying to hire. So let's say we go into sales and marketing, and you can see you have sales and marketing. Now we can just go on ahead. We're going to click on find work for your skills. Let's say we want to work in sales and marketing. And within sales and marketing, we have, let's say I want to work as a SEO expert. And now you can see there are so many different jobs available for SEO optimization. If there is another company, and those companies are often trying to find someone in-house, and when they're not able to find someone in-house, then they want a seasoned professional or someone that is able to do their job well. So it's going to be a very effective way to find SEO clients that you can even work with on the long term. A lot of these a lot of these jobs might be short term, and then you can get that client in the long run, because whenever they will need SEO optimization, instead of having to go to Upwork again, that agency will be like, hey, we already worked with this person in the past, let's just rehire them for this job as well. And this is going to be one of the most effective ways for you to be able to get SEO clients in the long run that will be recurring clients as well. Not only that, you can also find permanent SEO jobs or permanent SEO jobs that you might actually have that you can get in these kinds of freelancing sections on Fiverr, on Upwork, but that is a long-term thing. In the short run, you're easily going to be able to find jobs, and once you apply for these jobs and get one or two of these jobs, you will easily be able to get rehired by the same company. Now, moving on to my next tip, and that is cold outreach. So, cold outreach basically means emailing someone directly, just directly asking someone for a job. Now, you don't want to be pushy and you don't want to try to shove your services down someone. You want to be very gentle and polite while doing cold outreach. A simple example would be if I was to email someone. Now, if I go on ahead and click on compose, what I would do is I would be like, in the subject, I would say, I noticed your website, or whatever website that they have that you have seen. You can be like, hey, I noticed your website. It is regarding this topic, but you're not entering these specific keywords, and your Google ranking is on the fifth or sixth page of Google because you don't have a location marker or a Google business account that has been set up. Your business does not have a Google account, and you don't have the correct numbers correlating to your account on your website. So you can point out some of the SEO issues, and if you want to improve upon those things, check out these videos or check out these services that I provide. And below that, just leave a simple message if you are the right person to reach out to for this information, and reply to me on the same email. If not, please also let me know. This will give the client to actually analyze what you're saying. They're not going to feel like you're trying to be pushy and just pushing down your kind of service to them. They're actually going to see what you're talking about, the issues that you pointed out in their website. They're going to be very inclined to check those out and see if those issues are still persistent. Now, once they see those issues, they will be very, very, very likely to want to resolve them and get a better SEO for their website. And then you will actually be, displaying the information that you are able to do these things that you are trying to help them out with. And then they will be very likely to become a SEO client. So this is how you get SEO clients, simply with cold outreach and a few other marketing tactics. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.